reset an enter button or a shift button or a backspace button that's come off. These are very similar to spacebar, same deal. This one's for E machines, and it's also similar to your other letter buttons. And the letter button has this similar kind of center post that goes down and in, except this one also has the little lever here. So this actually just gets entered into the enter button itself. The little clips here, little arm actually just presses into place, just like so. That side, like so on that side, and then this just slides underneath the front arm like that, and then we rotate it down and into the button. And if you didn't get it right the first time, you may have to kind of pop it back up and reset. But what we've got to do is just line that up with the buttonhole as well as the button arm. And again, if you didn't get it right the first time, you may have to just reset it there. And of course it's going to be a little stubborn. That's the nature of things. Okay, we'll try again here. Not a bad idea to clean things out while you've got it apart, but there we go. There we go. Enter. Return. Now it's returned where it should be. Anyway, thanks for watching. Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. That's resetting the enter bar, or a backspace bar, or a shift bar, or a caps lock bar. Those are all kind of similar. And then there's this sideways enter bar here, which this one, again, very similar, same kind of deal. Yeah, this keyboard definitely needs some cleaning. That is a completely different story. But there we go, that's resetting the button. Thanks for watching. Thanks for